Hello, welcome to the video. Now, today we're at a place called Beverley Parks Nature Reserve. Now, I've never been here before, so I thought, well, I'll just give it a go, have a look around. Hopefully I'm going to try to get some photographs of wildlife, bugs with a macro, and hopefully I'll have a go with the infrared. So let's go see what we can find. Better not forget my bag, had I? I think I'm about halfway around it, and I've just tried having a go with my macro, but I just can't keep it steady enough. Wind's blowing things about. I can't hold it steady anyway with my hands. But I'm getting a few snaps of different stuff that I'm finding on my way. And, you know, it all adds interest. I'm just at the side of the railway track now. See if I can get a picture of a train. There's a few going up and down, like. So just wait here about 10 minutes and see what goes past. Till then, I'll just have a mosey about, see if I can find anything else to get. Yeah. Well, that's a photograph of the train. Two actually, one way, one another. So, believe the sound of the rail track now. And we'll head back into the woods and see what else we can come up with. I've changed over lenses. I've got the 14 to 55 on. Sorry, 14 to 45. And I think my macro one, I need to be a bit steadier. I think I need my tripod on for that. My other one is the 40 to 150, and that's at the in here. That's it's either too close or not close enough. But anyway, back into the woods, see what we can come up with. As I keep saying, catch you in a bit. I've come around to this part of the woodland now and found a patch of garlic. Alongside of that is bluebells are starting to come out, so that'll be another thing to focus on. Yeah, wild garlic. I know a place where it'll be covered in that stuff when it comes out. I'm paying that a visit. Well, I think we've come to the end of the woods now, so we'll go through this gate, see where it takes us. Nice little seat there. Another bit of a walk. Do we go that way? Or do we go that way? Let's go that way. Right, change of plan. We're not going down that way. We're going down this way. I don't think it takes us to anything brilliant like, but we'll have a go and see what's what. I know the car park's only just over there, so I know I'm not far away from the car. So let's plod on. Well, we've come to the end of the walk. Just round that corner there, where I parked the car. Now, it hasn't been a bad walk. I don't know how far I've gone. I never thought to set my Fitbit going. But I would, well, it's a nice walk, put it that way. It's not too busy at the moment. Whether it does get busier through the day or when the weather picks up. There's enough car parking space for about 6 cars, the way it's laid out. I think there'll be quite a bit of insect life and bugs and what have you once it starts to warm up, really. But yeah, I'd come back again, yeah, I would. Nice little walk. Maybe even bring the dogs next time. So, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Comments below. And hit the subscribe button. And yeah. I usually say it, well, I said last time, hit the subscribe button, which is down in the right hand corner, but it's that corner, I think, on this one. Maybe not, but if not, you'll see it. So till the next time, stay safe. Bye for now.